A laser beam looks solid in fog, but in perfectly clean air, it almost vanishes. The laser did not switch off. The light is still racing through the room. So why can you see its path only after the air gets dirty? Because seeing light is stranger than it sounds. Put a laser pointer across a clean room. From the side, you usually see nothing, but the dot on the far wall is bright. That dot gives away the answer. Light only becomes visible when some of it enters your eyes. In clean air, nearly all the laser light keeps moving straight ahead. It passes right through the room and hits the wall. The wall sends light in many directions. Some reaches your eyes, so you see the dot. But along the path, almost no light is coming sideways toward you. Now add fog. The air fills with tiny water drops. Add dust, and it fills with tiny solid specks. Even smoke can do it, though breathing smoke is not a good idea. Each tiny speck is like a microscopic road sign for light. When the laser hits one, most of its light continues forward, but a tiny bit gets knocked in new directions. That redirecting is called scattering. One speck sends almost nothing toward your eyes. You would never notice it. But a laser crosses millions of specks. A little light comes sideways from this speck. Then another. Then another. Your eyes connect those bright points into one glowing line. The beam was always there. Fog simply reveals its route. This is why a concert laser can look like a glowing sword. The air is often filled with stage haze, a controlled mist of tiny droplets. Each droplet sends a little laser light toward the audience. It is also why a sunbeam appears in a dusty room. Close the curtains. Let one thin stripe of sunlight enter. If the room is dusty, you can see a bright shaft floating in the air. You are not seeing sunlight by itself. You are seeing dust revealing where the sunlight travels. Here is the part that feels backward. Making the air dirtier can make a laser easier to see from the side. But make it too foggy, and the far wall gets dimmer. Why? More specks send more light sideways. That makes the path brighter. But those same specks steal light from the forward trip. With thick fog, less light survives to reach the wall. The glowing line may look dramatic, while its destination fades away. Clean air is not truly empty either. It has air molecules. They also scatter a little light. But they are so small and spread out that a normal laser path is usually far too faint to notice. A dusty room changes the odds. Bigger particles scatter enough light for your eyes to catch it. This also explains a common mistake. People say, "I can see the laser." Usually they cannot see the laser light traveling directly toward them. They are seeing light bounce sideways by particles, then entering their eyes. That matters for safety. A beam can be hard to see and still be dangerous. Never aim a laser at eyes, people, vehicles, or aircraft. So a clean room does not erase a laser beam. It removes the tiny messengers that would send the beam's light sideways to you. Fog, dust, and haze fill the air with those messengers. And suddenly, the invisible path becomes a glowing line.